you thirsty? Do you know how to drink water properly? In this video, we'll guide you through the best way to drink water to stay hydrated and healthy. First, grab a glass of water, preferably room temperature. Don't chug it right away, take small sips. Drinking too much water at once can cause bloating and discomfort. When drinking, use a straw to avoid stains on your teeth. It also helps to drink from a wider cup or glass to keep your mouth comfortable. Take your time to enjoy the taste and texture of the water. Timing is important. Drink water 30 minutes before a meal to help with digestion, and wait an hour after eating before drinking again. This helps your body to absorb nutrients properly. It's always recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. However, if you're exercising, you'll need to drink more to replace the fluids lost through sweating. Lastly, remember not to drink too much water too quickly. This can lead to an imbalance of electrolytes in your body, which can cause serious health problems. Drinking water properly is essential for keeping your body hydrated and healthy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips.